Hey everyone, welcome back to XSP Green Monster channel. I'm in the Suburban and I'm just going to be doing a little bit of cleaning up from the brake install. Glad to be back with the Suburban, and this is just going to be kind of like getting ready to do some more stuff. Hopefully we do a little bit of a teardown of the amplifiers as well, and I'll get right into it. It's probably be just like, I'll fast forward through some of this stuff. I am back. Take care of this. I've got a big mouse problem right now actually that I need to take care of. And it smells like oil in here, which isn't the best. So let's quickly, I'm gonna use some of this turtle wax stuff and just clean everything a little bit. Hi everyone. So now I got everything basically cleaned out. Let's see if it'll focus. So I had this back here cleaned out. I had everything in from a brake job. It had been sitting in there while I was at Chevy. So yeah, it didn't look amazing. I can run over this wall quickly since I'm gonna be doing some work. I'll kind of explain what I'm doing. I'm just kind of tearing down, getting ready for some of the installations that I showed you guys. So right now, this is where we're at. Got the big slot port flat wall with two DC level 518s with custom dust caps, PSI dust caps. Got that spot waiting for the amplifier, SMD fuse blocks, CT Sound 7K, which is actually what we're going to be taking out right now. And then got this in there as a loaner amp. It's actually my friends, I sold them. And so today we're going to be taking kind of off all of this and hopefully taking off this amp so I can remove this back plate right here, which will allow me to access all these wires much easier since I'm going to be getting rid of this 4 gauge and putting in some 1/0 for the new amplifier so I can run them off of 1/0. So I'll set you guys up right here. I'll kind of go through it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to disconnect. Whoops. Good thing I have extra ones of those just in case. Oh, found it. Lose those all the time. It's little acorn nuts. I'm just gonna disconnect all the fuses so I can safely work on this. Of course, SMD. Awesome. So now, these are all pretty standard. And it should be a 1/2 inch, I believe. Yes, it is. Manual focus. So I'm basically just going to remove these positives. I'm actually not going to take out the connections themselves because I need to redo these anyways, so I'll just remove these. And I'll put all the hardware back on. We'll see how much light we have. I don't know how much light we're gonna have today. Let's see if I can get this all done. If not, I'll pick it up again tomorrow and we'll keep at it on just cleaning up this rear. So we'll kind of try and tuck these back a little bit. And then take out the amplifier inputs. Can't remember if these are standard or metric. Let's see. Oh, don't want that to twist. Yeah, make sure these don't touch, because there could still be some residual, just some residual stuff lifting them. There we go. There's one out. You can see it's very bent into shape now. Hopefully we don't have to redo any of these wires, although I do have some extra wire I could do that with. Take out the other positive. So these are where those new inputs I got are going to be going. What is that stuck on? Oh, I have another wire in this one that I forgot about. Carefully come around here. I'm trying to think about what size this one is. Sorry you guys can't see, but I'm basically just taking one of these screws on this thing out so I can take out this voltage wire. There it goes. Perfect. There's the other one. Got those two out now. I'll go ahead and start removing the rest of these. Always a fun time removing amplifiers. Tuck this back down there. These are just ground, so I don't have to worry about them too much. And then you gotta go to a smaller one, which I think is like this one. No, that's way too big. Maybe this one? Nope. Looks like it's like a 2mm. Yep, 2mm. Take out all the duals. Get everything kind of put back into place here too. Take out this remote. And then always make sure to screw these back in a little bit, because otherwise it will fall out. I can't tell you how many times I've had these freaking grub nuts and worm nuts, whatever you want to call them, fall out of the amplifier. It's just been terrible. Always bad news when that happens. Alright, I'm not sure when it cut out, but I'm back here. I'm just using a little 1/4" thing on here to get out these bottom screws for the amplifier. I don't think there's really any other way for me to do this. Oh, there's one. There's one screw. Come over here, we'll do the other one. Alright, so now we're on to taking this out. Actually taking this out. I can put you guys right there. I don't know if there's gonna be a good angle to do this. And she's gonna fall while I'm doing this, so she is heavy. Take out those inputs too. So I have these little rubber stoppers behind it as well, just to keep the amplifier from vibrating. Can help stop additional damage to your amplifiers. Move you back over here. Take out this side. There we go. She is loose. Oh. So that was kind of the main goal there, was to get that off so then I can gain access to all the wires. Here she is, the beautiful Team 7K from CT Sounds. Might as well keep going here. Got a little bit of light left. And this is all just to gain access to these wires back here so that we can add wires and remove wires a little bit easier. Obviously, as you can see, there's not much room to do this. If everything's installed, I have to get my hand back down in here. It's just kind of a pain. So now we'll just take out all these. There's the last one. Now I can just tilt this back off. And there you guys go. There's kind of a sneak peek. I can start cleaning this wire up a little bit more now, add more wire when I want. Everything of that nature. So I think it's about where I'm going to end today. It's starting to get dark and it's getting cold out here. So I'm going to leave this here and I'll end it when I get back up in there and show you guys the CT Sound 7K a little bit more. Alright, so I'm back up in my apartment now, and I'll try and do some cool cinematic shots for you guys on the CT Sounds Team 7K amplifier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on me tearing apart the back of my Suburban a little bit. I'm just getting ready to install some of those products that I showed you earlier. I could show you them again right now. So I'm just getting ready to do some of those guys, all those wire care products, and to put in the two CT Sounds 125.4Ds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next video is coming out, should be on those installs or on a couple other things. I was thinking about doing a couple other videos, so not sure what's coming next, but I'll be definitely putting out a video every 2 days from now on, or at least doing my best to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos I could do. See you on the next one.